Shenzhen Guanglijin Technology Company, Limited was founded in 2004, 16 years of trials and hardships, the C-Crossflow forged ahead. Nowadays Guanglijin Technology focused on the independent research and development and technology upgrading of watches, jewelry, CNC machine tools, and has grown into a high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production, sales and service. The company produces clocks and watches, jewelry, carving and milling, 5-axis machine, 7-axis machine, 8-axis machine turning and milling, compound laser cutting, carving and milling batch machine, fast bead machine and CNC intelligent production line, and other products are in the leading level of the industry. The self-development one-key programming CAM software can completely replace the manual batch of flowers, machine structure and metal recovery, designed to achieve a processing rate of more than 99.98% and constantly break through the accuracy and speed of the limit, and won the domestic and foreign market praise. The business channel covered 27 countries and regions in the world, and the sales performance in the industry is far ahead, and it has become the leader in the production of high-end intelligent jewelry equipment at home and abroad. Widely in science and technology have smart modern production base, configure the world high-end production equipment, and gathered more than 10 global industry research focused on technology development and product upgrades. It has carried out deep cooperation with many well-known universities at home and abroad, reached strategic cooperation agreement with Shenzhen Technician College and Guilin University of Electronic Science and Technology successively, and established Guanglijin Technology Software Development Base with Wuxi Research Institute of Huazhong University of Science and Technology. On the platform of continuous innovation, Guanglijin Technology adds pen with great craftsmanship and makes excellence in the prime of life. In constantly developing new products and new technologies, it has obtained 27 patents in total. From design to production, from procurement to delivery, from hardware to software, layer upon layer check to standardize the manufacturing process to ensure product quality. With the ever-increased R&D costs and people-oriented management philosophy, we have won the recognition of many well-known brands at home and abroad, and the widespread praise and trust of the global jewelry processing industry. While providing first-class manufacturing equipment for the industry, the company does not forget its original intention and actively recommends and trains talents for the industry. Guanglijin Business School, founded under its subsidiary, accurately provides practical skills training SY=U as drawing, standardized operation of machine tools, organizes technical exchange meetings and open classes from time to time, and provides cutting-edge technical support for the industry, making great contribution to promoting the development of the industry. The road ahead will be long and our climb will be steep. Guanglijin people fearless hardships, forge ahead, have the courage to innovate. Inherit the dedication and lean craftsman spirit from made in China to smartly made in China. Guanglijin is a great industry bearing the takeoff of the Chinese dream. One must both have great ambition and make tireless efforts to achieve great exploits. Guanglijin people use wisdom to expand the way forward. Create the future. Create one brilliant after another.